2001 Ford F250 7.3 Power Stroke Turbo Diesel, 69,000 miles. Let's take it for a test drive.
Daddy worked like a mule,
We definitely don't get a chance to do a whole lot of off-roading here at PC Classic Cars, but I'm not sure we have a better vehicle than this 2001 Ford F250 7.3 Power Stroke Turbo Diesel. This is a 69,000 mile truck, and we will dive into all of the goodies here in just a second when we get out on the open road. We're almost there, everybody. We'll get to that off-road here, or we'll get onto the on-road here in just a second and do our normal test drive for everybody. But to reiterate, we have a 2001 Ford F250 four-wheel drive, factory 7.3 Power Stroke Turbo Diesel. For me, it doesn't get better than this when it comes to a diesel engine. If you follow the diesel trucks, some people like the GM, some people like the Dodge. I'm a Ford guy. I love the Power Stroke. The 7.3s are just absolutely awesome. And this is a great example. It's a 69,794 actual mile truck, and I love the spec. So on the mechanicals, you have your original numbers matching motor, which runs like a brand new pickup. You have your 4R100 automatic overdrive transmission. You have your standard power steering, your standard Hydro Boost with discs all the way around and ABS. None of that has been messed with or changed. Factory heat and AC, which both work exactly like they were designed. The air will freeze you out. The inside of the truck will get nice and hot if you got the heat on, which I am going to do because it's 28 degrees here in Texas right now. So we're going to get a little heat going inside the truck here to keep me from freezing my nuts off. On the interior, it is your vinyl bench seat interior with your rubber floor mat and your all-weather floor mats on top of those. So it is a little slippery for these floor mats, but getting in and out is easy. You got some wet boots or some snow or some mud. Very easy to clean in here. Your dash is in excellent shape, upper and lower. All of the plastics are in awesome condition. Headliner, visors, all of that is great. Stock steering wheel, factory gauge cluster, no issues of any kind with any of that. The only things to note is the aftermarket stereo, which is a big bonus. And then right on the bottom, right underneath your ass, there's like a couple little spots in the seat, just really minimal stuff. But I'm nitpicking at this point. Dash is all in great condition. I don't see really any problems in here outside of a little bit of wear on the edge of the driver's seat. Turn signal switch is nice and tight. Up under the dash, you do have an aftermarket trailer brake controller, so that is mounted there. The lights are coming on it, so I don't see why it wouldn't work. And then coming out of the lower portion of the dash, you have a USB connection for a phone charger or to connect to the stereo. On the does it work section for this truck, everything works. Lights, gauges, horn wipers, radio, heat, AC, parking brake, cruise control, and your stereo. Everything is good to go on this one. The does it work section will be posted in the additional media tab, or the additional media section on the website pcclassiccars.com. Hopefully one of my cameras is not turning on and off because it is beeping at me, but everything's still got red lights, so that means we're going to keep going. Got your overdrive on and off button, which works correctly. Kick the glove box open and closed here. Got some extra little goodies there, and then we do also have the original window sticker and the clean Carfax, which you will see on the website as well in that additional media section. Absolutely nothing to complain about mechanically. It does everything you want a lower mileage diesel truck to do. You could drive this thing every single day if you want to. And I'm going to turn the heat down because I'm starting to sweat because it's hotter than hell in here. On the underneath, it is almost too clean. The inner rockers, the floors, the frame, the bottom side of the cab, and the bottom side of the bed are just exceptionally clean for a 69,000 mile truck. Obviously that's low miles on a diesel, but looking under this truck, you could say it's a 20,000 mile truck. It is that clean. So no rust issues of any kind. On the exterior, it is the factory darker red Paint quality is great. You have a small little door ding over here on the driver's side door, a couple tiny little imperfections kind of around the truck, and I might be mistaken. That little door ding might be on the passenger door, so I got to verify for y'all on that. But I will take a photo of it and put it in the additional media section. But there's one tiny little door ding, and then a couple other little nicks and miscellaneous flaws kind of around the truck. But it is original paint, and it does show really well. Obviously has oversized tires, which are in great shape. They're basically new. No real tire wear of any kind. Wheels are in great condition. All of your trim, all that's in really nice shape as well. You do have the factory bed rails and the bed cap on the top of the tailgate, and then you have a nice black finished toolbox back there. If you wanted to take it out, you could. You have a bed mat. I believe there's a bed mat. Yeah, there's a nice bed mat on the bed floor. Underneath that, you do have some little scuffs and little flaws on the bed floor itself, but it still, again, shows great. We are stuck behind some traffic here, so we'll have to get in the throttle a little bit more once we get our return trip. But we got our headlights on now, dash lights illuminated properly, good voltage, good oil pressure, fuel gauge is working, temperature gauge is where we want it to be, speedo, tach, odometer, and trip meter, all of that is rolling properly. We can go ahead and reset the trip meter. Sets it back to 0 like it should. Again, there's your overdrive button. You kick it on, you kick it off, it kicks the overdrive. The little light illuminates. You do also have your cruise control, which works properly. All of your vents for the heat and AC are in great shape. None of the plastics are broken. They open and close, move left and right like they should. No tire rub issues going over a big turn like that, which is nice. Sometimes you put an oversized tire and it tire rubs on the inner fenders or on the front bumper, but this one doesn't have any of that. Suspension is great. Does not beat you to death. It's a very comfortable truck going down this bumpy road. Steering is tight, brakes feel good, no suspension issues of any kind. Glass, there's a couple tiny little nicks in the windshield on the passenger side over there, but nothing bullseyed or no spider cracks. And I love the fact that this is a manual window, manual lock truck. Just less things to go wrong, less things to have maintenance for. They roll up and down exactly like they should. Zero problems. Back glass is your fixed back glass. There's no slider there. You have your over-the-shoulder seat belts, and then you have your middle matching seat belt here in the center. Just kind of a bare bones truck when it came to options, which most of the work trucks, most of them that you find are going to be white, so this one being red is really cool. Factory exhaust, so not terribly loud. You hear a little bit of the exhaust system, but it's really more motor than anything. And on a 7.3, you want to hear that 7.3 anyway, so you could put a big exhaust on here where you would still hear the 7.3, but you would hear some more exhaust. But the fact that this truck is so stock, it is just cool the way it sits. When you pop the hood, it is very OE and stock spec underneath that hood. Original numbers matching motor, fluids are all clean. Charging system is doing its job. Belts, hoses, wiring, everything in the engine bay checks out like it looks like a brand new truck in there. Front to back, this is a freakishly clean 69,000 miles. 69,000 miles on a diesel truck is really low. This thing isn't even broken in yet. But walking up to this pickup, outside of a couple small little nicks in the paint and the couple small little spots on this seat here, if someone said this was a 15 or a 20, 25,000 mile truck, I would have no doubt in my mind that that was accurate. So it's been a well cared for truck. As always, I'm Mike. This is a 2001 Ford F250, 69,000 miles, 7.3 Power Stroke turbo diesel, automatic transmission, cold AC. From myself and everybody else here at PC Classic Cars, we appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drives. Make sure you check out that additional media section on the website, PCClassicCars.com. Check out the content we're posting across all of the social platforms every single day. And we'll catch you guys on the next video.
Daddy worked like a mule, my life.